Welcome to the Review Network. Today we bring you the best spear guns for 2025, complete with model names, prices, and clear guidance. This is based on Spearfishing UK's latest guide covering guns from 50 pounds all the way up to 500 plus. We're cutting through the noise so you know exactly what to pick. For entry level at 50 to 100 pounds, you'll find the beginner guns. They're low cost and simple, good for shallow water and small fish. The Labrax starter is around 36 to 50 pounds. It uses a single 14mm band and a 7mm spear. Very basic, but it gives you everything you need to start. The Salvimar Wild Pro comes in at 75 pounds. It has a 6.5mm spear, a single 14mm band, and a stainless steel mechanism. It delivers a bit more punch and is a strong upgrade from the very cheapest guns. Moving up into the 100 to 150 pound range, you get the first railguns. The Rob Allen Cobia is between 129 and 149 pounds. It uses a single 16mm dipped latex band with a carbon steel spear and is one of the best value entry railguns. The Labrax Eleanor Expert is around 145 pounds and comes with an 18mm dipped rubber, a reel included, and an open muzzle. The Salvimar V Pro monorail sits at 127 to 134 pounds, with a lightweight design, single 16mm band, and a reverse mechanism. And the Labrax Falcon Open is 96 to 121 pounds, with a single 14mm band and Dyneema wishbone, slightly less powerful but a good starter choice. In the 150 to 200 pound tier, you see twin band setups and stronger spears. The Rob Allen Snapper Railgun is around 180 pounds. It comes with twin 14mm dipped rubbers and a 7mm carbon steel spear, pre-rigged for easy use. The Labrax Eleanor Shoot is about 160 pounds, also with twin 14mm bands and a strong spear, offering good value for power. The 200 to 300 pound range brings higher-end aluminium and carbon builds. The Rob Allen Kawa Carbon costs between 250 and 365 pounds, depending on length. It has a carbon barrel and twin 14mm bands, giving power with less weight. The Epsilon Spartan Carbon is 236 to 252 pounds. It uses twin 14mm dipped latex bands, a strong steel spear with a double flopper, and a solid carbon barrel. At the premium level of 300 to 500 pounds, you see roller spear guns and advanced carbon barrels. The Rob Allen GT carbon roller ranges from 350 to 440 pounds. It has a roller muzzle, carbon barrel, and very high power, ideal for long shots and bigger fish. Other premium options in this bracket include the Sigil Sub Nemesis Pro Carbon and the Pathos Laser Carbon Roller, both offering advanced performance for experienced divers. Above 500 pounds are the ultra-premium builds. The Riff Euro Travel is priced over 500, handcrafted with a mix of wood and carbon, offering high accuracy and custom-level finish. The Orca Evo is another high-spec carbon gun in this bracket, available in longer barrel lengths and designed for maximum range and penetration. The key factors across these tiers are single versus twin bands, where twin offers more range but is harder to load. Spear material such as carbon steel for punch or stainless for corrosion resistance. Muzzle type where open is better for aiming and closed easier to load. Rubber quality where dipped latex outperforms extruded. And trigger mechanisms such as reverse designs giving more stretch and accuracy. Roller muzzles compress power into shorter barrels, giving serious performance gains. What makes Spearfishing UK different is their clarity. They don't just sell. They list real models, real prices, and specs, and they share both the pros and the cons. They provide upgrade paths, such as guns drilled for both single and twin bands, so you can step up performance over time, and they invest back into the sport, sponsoring UK competitions, running the UK Spearfishing Buddies group with nearly 9,000 members, and keeping the focus on safe diving and community, not just profit. Here's our verdict. For the tightest budgets and beginners, pick the Labrax Starter or Salvimar Wild Pro. For the best value entry railgun, go for the Rob Allen Cobia. For reliable mid-range power in UK waters, the Snapper Railgun or the Spartan Carbon are strong choices. And for long range, bigger fish, or open water dives, invest in the GT Carbon Roller, the Orca Evo, or the Riff Euro Travel. Thanks for watching the Review Network. If this helped you choose your next spear gun, hit subscribe and tell us in the comments which gun you're taking into the water in 2025.